Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Torres' YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue our work in chapter 1, 2, and define a few more things. So first we have is midpoint. Midpoint is a point on a segment that divides the segment into two congruent segments. So what that would look like is, let's draw a segment and label that A, B. A midpoint, basically what it does is it splits it in half. So let's put a dot right in the middle here. We're going to put that as M for midpoint. Now, one thing I'm going to add to my diagram, since we have two congruent segments, the way that we can mark that on a diagram are tick marks. So there's one tick mark on AM, one tick mark on MB, and that means AM is equal to MB. When I have letters like this without any symbol over the top, so there's no like line or segment or ray, this means the distance from A to M. So if we have no symbol, it's talking distance. Next, we have segment bisector. Segment bisector is a segment, line, ray, or plane that intersects a segment at its midpoint. So that would look like this. Let's draw a segment here, A, B. Let's say I have a ray coming down this way, and it intersects at M, and we know that's my midpoint because I'm going to mark it. Notice this time I put 2 tick marks on AM and 2 tick marks on MB. As long as they have the same number of tick marks, that tells us those two are congruent. Therefore, M is the midpoint, and this ray is our segment bisector. All right, so this brings us into segment addition. So segment addition says if B is between A and C on a straight line, then AC equals AB plus BC. And there's just what I said before about AB without a line implying distance. Let's put this into practice. Let's draw a line. On that line, let's put 3 points. A, B, C. Let's say AB is 12. Let's say BC is 5. If we used our definition of segment addition, AC equals AB plus BC. So that'd be 12 plus 5. So that means AC is 17, which if you look at the diagram, that's very logical, right? This is a very simple one. We're going to get a little more advanced. Let's look at another one. This one's also pretty simple, but I want to just set the foundation here. So let's draw another line with A, B, and C. Let's say BC is 16. And this time I'm going to tell you